Very good evening, students. Today we are going to discuss the classification of organic compounds. Right? When you deal with or classification of organic compounds, these compound contain one open chain. These compound will contain one open chain or cyclic compounds. Right? Acyclic compounds. Acyclic means which are open chain, which are not cyclic in nature. The carbon chains may be either straight chains or branch chains. Here is one example of a straight chain. Here is one example of a branched chain. After that, another classification is a closed chains or cyclic or ring compounds. So when you deal with the closed chain or cyclic compound, these can be alicyclic, these can be aromatic, these can be heterocyclic. So what do you mean by alicyclic compounds? These compounds contain a ring of 3 or more carbon atoms in them, right? And these resemble aliphatic compounds in many of their properties. These are 3 carbon atom or 4 carbon atoms are there. And after that, aromatic compounds have cyclic system containing at least one benzene ring is there in it. So the parent member of the family is called benzene. It involves here benzene. Got it? This is benzene here. After that, if you deal with heterocyclic compounds, then in case of heterocyclic compound, these compound the ring contain one or more atoms of either nitrogen. You can see here there is nitrogen. It can be here oxygen in place of nitrogen, sulfur. So these ring contain one or more atoms of either nitrogen, oxygen or sulfur in addition to carbon atoms. So the atom other than carbon present in the ring called heteroatoms. So these are heterocyclic compounds. So this is a classification of organic compounds. Thank you.